With energy prices increasing, investing in solar power makes more sense than ever. By generating your own electricity, you can significantly reduce your reliance on the grid and protect yourself from future price hikes. Here's how Reach Solar makes the transition seamless. Personalized consultation. We begin by understanding your energy usage and assessing your property's suitability for solar installation. Customized design. Our experts design a solar system tailored to your specific needs, ensuring maximum efficiency and savings. Professional installation. Through our trusted installation partners, we ensure a hassle-free setup of your solar panels, adhering to the highest industry standards. Ongoing support. We provide continuous monitoring and maintenance services to ensure your system operates at peak performance. By choosing Reach Solar, you're not only investing in your home's energy independence, but also contributing to a greener planet. Our commitment to customer satisfaction and quality service has made us a trusted name in the solar industry. Ready to start saving on your energy bills and make a positive impact on the environment? Click the link in the description to learn more about Reach Solar and take the first step towards energy independence. Reach Solar, empowering your home, saving your money, and protecting our planet. Click the link below to get started.